Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Gourmet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and tasty seafood pasta dish that I like to make at home. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and let's start cooking. For this dish, I'm going to be using a homemade pasta that I made in a previous video. If you haven't seen that one yet, go check it out. We're going to start by bringing a pot of water to a boil and seasoning it with salt. While that's going, we're going to prep our ingredients. For double smoked bacon, make sure to remove the rind and then dice it into cubes that are about a 1/2 inch by a 1/2 inch. Peel and fine dice half an onion. Peel and finely chop 3 cloves of garlic. In a pan on low heat, add the double smoked bacon and start to render out the fat. Now, I don't know if all you out there love double smoked bacon as much as I do, but one of the hardest parts about doing this dish is not eating all of it before it's done. My mouth is watering just looking at this right now. Once all the remaining bacon is nice and crisp, take it out of the pan, leaving the fat. You want to leave all the fat that you rendered off the bacon in the pan because it's going to give the dish a ton of flavor. Now we're going to start sweating the onions and garlic in the bacon fat. Sweat it out until the onions are translucent. Next, add a pinch of chili flakes to this dish to give it a little bit of heat, and lighten it up with a squeeze of lemon juice. Let the lemon juice cook out completely. Now we're going to add some 35% cream and let that reduce down. This sauce has a lot of the same characteristics as Alfredo sauce, but it doesn't have any Parmesan in it. I just leave it out because some people don't like seafood and cheese together. Once your sauce is almost reduced to where you want it, you're going to blanch your pasta. Toss in your already cooked shrimp just to heat them up. If you're using fresh pasta, it should only take about 45 seconds to 1.5 minutes to cook. I usually just wait until it's floating on the top of the blanching pot. Add the pasta to the pan and let the sauce reduce down to a consistency that it will coat the noodles. The sauce was already almost reduced at the time that we added the pasta, so this shouldn't take any longer than 15-20 seconds. Give the pasta a couple good tosses in the pan to get everything evenly coated. Then I like to finish it off with a touch of olive oil. Finishing a pasta dish with olive oil is similar to how chefs stir butter into a lot of sauces off the heat. It just adds a nice shine from the fat and it gives a little bit of extra body. Now, if you really want to fancy this dish up, you could add extra seafood to it like scallops or lobster or mussels. Really, the sky's the limit. But please, just don't forget the bacon. Or send it to me. And that's it, a simple but very tasty pasta dish that you could make at home in really no time at all. As always, I hope you liked the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and keep on cooking.